Just give me the light.
What's the deal? New York session in full effect. Me and my Wixicans got the New York session locked. When the chart again, it ain't like MT5. If you're looking at different time frames, it's not. Mine's very similar to this. What up, Karen? What up, Lloyd? See you. So, drop on gold, huh? I think if we close back in range right now, we're gonna range till news. This hourly's closing in 2 minutes here. Yeah, I think we might even retest the top of the range at this point on the next hourly. Depends how we close here, with a wick or not. Let's get into a breakdown. We'll get to this. But you had an indication the hourly was going to close bullish. You didn't know how steep the bottom wick was going to be, right? Because you had a closure at support, and it had no bottom wick. So at some point, this was going to flip bullish. All right, daily bearish. We have the bearish. We have the top wick for the daily. So if we flip now, it'll be a good drive. Might happen for news. So we were going to get the drop in London. Didn't ranged. 4 hour closing in an hour. Ideally it closes bear below 1959.64 so we can finish filling the wick down and break the daily wick. Daily lows. There we go. We just closed on the hourly with no top wick. So we can't take buys to the top of the range here at the moment. We also closed below this resistance. We can't take sells because we closed back in range. We're gonna move this level, don't worry. About a 15 pip range. We come back down here below 58308. We've cleared it out once. Now we've cleared it out the second time this range. So we come back down here, top wick, and we'll take sells. If we close below 56.7, I'll look for off the rip sells below here. I need the higher time frames to start closing bearish or breaking previous hourly lows. So this is getting very tough. So below 58.48, it'll probably have to be after the 4-hour close, after the hourly close here in about an hour. We have news today as well. Yep. 10 a.m. consumer confidence. So shouldn't be as volatile, but still a red folder. So see if we can take advantage of that. I'll probably be on here like till like 10:15, 10:30. The pairs look nice. Yes, so the pairs look nice, but irrelevant. There are moves happening on every single pair. You have missed the move in almost every pair since we started trading only gold. Do you have any trades today? Asian session, that was the last trade. I stayed up for London a little bit till around 2 a.m. It was back in a range and I didn't do much in London. Music too loud there, I just lowered it. Please make it louder. I think you guys are funny. Drop a fucking like. You guys put the complaints in the like box and the like in the complaint box. Y'all fucked it up backwards. From Dayton, tried gator tail for the first time, was quite interesting. It's like chicken. Everything tastes like chicken. We're gonna fill the range on the 1 hour. You mean fill it down? Because it just filled it up, right? And now I expect this to come down based on the previous hourly.
The smoke got me. I got bronchitis.
Glad you're back. These other streamers tripping. Why? They losing? They're winning? This is interesting because here you go, on a smaller time frame here, see support that comes across, right? Over here. Closed above it. We didn't have a top wick. Now we just closed above and we do have a top wick. If we can close bearish here, holding this support, right? If this closes bearish here. What's this going on? If this closes bearish, we're respecting this area, and then we get a bullish close, that would be an onion here, 5 minutes. Right? So if we either get a bullish closure or a bottom wick, right, and then flip here, maybe the break of this high to retest the top of the range here will be in order, or to take an entry right here as we close bullish. So let's see what happens. See what happens in this area. Can we close bearish here but respecting it, indicating that we found a support? Because if so, I'll be interested to retest the top of this range, which gives us about 30 pips here. So we did, right? We did close bearish respecting that. And with no bottom wick. I need a bottom wick. We get a nice bottom wick and a strong bullish close. I might think of looking for buys to the top of the range. I mean, it would only make sense here based off 5. If we create a bottom wick here and then flip and dry, I think the break of the previous candle high would not be bad. We don't have a bottom wick though. Oh, yep, sorry. Hold on. Let me get rid of last night's trade. That's some detectives. on go vacation. How was the meat? It was good. Guess he's still on vacation? Yes. Let this 15 close in 1 minute. Bottom wick on this on this next 5 here in 40 seconds. We're gonna close bullish, respecting this area, respecting 60.68. Get a bottom wick here. I might look for buys. So stops at that point. $50, $49. Roughly 60 for 59 pips. So we closed bullish at a support. Now we have a bottom wick being created. $15 has given us range up with that top wick and closed doji. Hey. I want us to break the previous 15 low here. That might not happen. Mic volume a bit quiet. No, it's just me. It's morning. I had 3.5 hours of sleep. I'm a little monotone today, this morning, tonight. Just need a much steeper wick here. He also rejected really heavily here after the previous hour didn't have a top wick. Stop smoking them stupid USB port sticks. I'm out of papers. I gotta go to the store, get papers. And it's time consuming right now. Take too much time.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Let's see. Got 40 seconds here till COMEX. Bottom wick. So this is COMEX. Use a $100 bill, not money blunt. Some of you need to use that Bible paper, because you'd be praying right now. Some of you need to roll that weed in your Bible paper. Fucking add a little prayer to it from your own damn self. Haram. I didn't say the Quran paper, I said the Bible paper. You use the wizard buttons? No. I have them. I don't use them. They're cute, but I don't use them. Jesus. Nah, that's valid. Word. Gold's bipolar ass right now. If this 30 closes with no bottom wick, after the hourly close with no top wick, and after the 15 did this, yo, this fucking mosquito, how did you even get in here? Everything's closed. Ooh, damn, I missed him. Oh no, I didn't. I got him, chat. Look at that. I got my Neo from the Matrix thing going on. I got him. Clap. Fuck with Wix 9, yo. Very simple. Let's see if we get a closure here right now. Below 58.5. There's a clean range below here. Seven, 6, 4, 3. Why do we not get a bottom wick? There's a nipple there, a nubbin. It should. It might. Okay, top wick. I'm gonna have a self stop on the rebreak of the lows here, on the current candle low. Before I do that, where it stops. Ah, 15 closure. I mean, we've created a low here now, and if it breaks this low, I think it's going to push to the bottom of the range with momentum. We've had clean movement up and down this range. Look left on the higher time frame. Drove through it, drove back up, drove down through it, drove back up. And now it looks like we got a closure below, barely, but still closed. And we already have a top wick off the higher time frame. We're just driving down here. 30 closes in a minute. We want the 30 below here, but let's see. The 30 held support. Yeah, I still have my position open. My issue is the 30 holding support. I'm debating if we should wait for a closure below, but even though it held it, it's still closed bearish. We break that low. There's clean range here to the left. There's clean candles. Five closed bullish, but still respecting resistance. Yeah, if we don't break this low on this 5, I'm gonna close the sell stop. Wait for a 4-hour close. Alright, can we activate? Grab the top wick, grab liquidity here. I'll put it a little bit lower below this wick over here. There. Yeah, it's half a pip lower. There we go. Activated here. We are activated in shorts. Oh, wait. Oh. Looking for the bottom of the range here. Gang. Almost there. All right. I'm going to go and move stops to break even here. At 10, 12 pips right now. Go. Stops to be. We're going to look to tap 1954. 260 here. We filled the range. I haven't closed anything. I'd really like this to come down some more. We have plenty of range, but anything is possible. Here we go. Chat. I'm gonna close. Not yet. Not yet. You know what? I'm not gonna close. I'm gonna move my stops 10 pips in profit and see if we can continue down. I'm gonna put it right above this 5-minute candle. If it flips, we'll be out at 12 pips. I got it at 12 pips right now. If it continues down, we'll take more. So we're gonna look for one more pop down. Can we pop? No, chat. I got taken out at 12 pips. I moved my stops to 12 pips in profit. We just came back. This candle reflipped. It'll probably drive down, but I'm out full here at 12 pips. Last year, I probably would have closed half and left the another half running. But this year, I've decided to close full or move stops in profit instead of taking partials. But there's a W. That's the trade we were looking for. Chat, hope you were on here with us for that. And if you were, and if you got in there, drop a like, sub to the channel. You know the deal. Yeah, but I closed full over there at 12. Hold on, let me update our record. Should run more, but it took me out at 12. Ooh. Look at that. Oh, so happy I want stops and profit. Ha! Stream record. Win number 36 of the year. The streak continues. I saw 18 on there the most. We would have hit, if we just move stops to B. See, this is what I've done over last year that's made me more proud. Last year, I probably would have closed half at around 12 and left the rest running, so I would have had half a 12 pip position, really 6 pips. This year, move stops to profit, 10, 12 pips in profit, and then if it runs at that point, great. If not, we have a full position at 12. Did you say this is an impulse trade if it broke the previous low since there was a range? No, just because it was in the middle of a moving candle doesn't mean it was impulsive, because if you saw, we had sell stops for about 10 minutes. That sell stop was there for over 8.5 minutes before it got activated, so it was planned. It wasn't impulsive, it was planned. You're gonna keep showing up, Wix? I was only out last week because of the in-person and meet and greet. And Thursday I went out with Don. That's why I didn't stream on Thursday. And Friday morning was Thursday I went out with Don. That's why I didn't stream Friday morning. Yesterday you were out too. No, I wasn't. I streamed yesterday. Oh, yesterday morning. No, yesterday morning. I had some things come up, but I can't talk about it. The Miami meetup ended? Yeah, we did all of that last week. It was dope. It was pretty dope. Went on a date? Yeah, we did. We actually did go on a date. He got in the car. My girl was like, "Nah, you sit in the front." He's like, "Nah, you sit in the front." I was like, "Yo, if one of yous don't fucking sit in the front right now, I'm leaving without both of yous." Nah, you sit in the front. Nah, you sit in the front. Man, where do you want to go eat? Well, I don't know. Are you hungry? Yeah. Well, what do you want to go eat? I don't know. What do you want to go eat? Who paid? You guys. Your kids met Uncle Don? No, they haven't. My kids met nobody. They're not allowed to meet people. To be honest with you, chat, I expected us to fill the range down. Since we didn't, and we're kind of pulling back up here. We might range in this area until the news. I think our next opportunity might be around 10 a.m. for news. It's early. I'll stick around here for a little while. It's early. First time seeing each other in person, right? I kind of knew what to expect. Like, yo, Donna's my type of people. He's cool people. Like, he's my type of people today. I say 20 years ago when I was, I'm lying, like 2 years ago when I was 20. I don't think we would have hung out. I don't think he would have been my type of people when I was 23. Yeah, Raul's school people's too. Don's a vibe, Raul's a vibe. I was 2% away from getting funded. Now I am in... Oh wait, let me take this off screen for people think we're in a trade. This is over with. Played out. Anybody trade Asian? Anybody trade this drop this morning? Because Asian was hard. Asian was a fucking ugly range. How's the family? They're well. Mystic clean as fuck. It was tough here because I think this is the position you had here, right? Only there. Yeah, top wick right there, I think. Entry break of the lows here. This would have been the exact entry we just took. Literally the exact entry. We would have had the same entry. But I think we would have actually gotten this whole ride for around 30 something. No, I'm lying. Look, we wouldn't have. As soon as we would have hit this area, would have went break even. And then right here, we would have got taken out. So yeah, we would have had the same exact result. If I was on here an hour ago, an hour and a half ago, we would have had the same exact result as we just did. Same exact. See, it's not about how the candles print. It's about the price movement. And the price moved very similarly here. Look, down here and here. Except here you closed bullish on the 5. Over here it was just a top wick and a drive down. But the price still tapped the same areas. Oanda chart's bugging. Look at MT5. No, my MT5 looks exactly like Oanda. Maybe a broker. Yeah, I would have went break even right there. This top wick would have taken me out. Trading FOMC tomorrow? No, we're going to trade the aftermath of FOMC. We're going to show up to the battlefield where there are bodies all over the floor. It's just fucking keyboards thrown around, people like this. We're going to show up and then we're going to trade it. After FOMC does the damage. After the field is cleared out, we're storming the castle. You know what? You're right. At MT5, on MT5, the top wick doesn't show. Printed differently. We would have survived. Yeah. I just checked. But it's still very similar the way it moves. So it's not. I wouldn't say it's bugging. Just every broker is a little bit different. Oh. You got an onion here. Last time it came up here, it was a top wick. Came down. Still come back down to fill the range. Because this was a lot of volume, right? Came up, tapped, came straight down. Right now we're kind of slow on volume, coming up on the 4-hour close. Yeah, chat. Over 400 here for that trade. Wait, did we just take a dip? Yeah, we took a dip. How did we just lose 50 viewers as soon as I closed the trade? Stream hopping motherfuckers. There's the onion, break of the lows. Nope. They don't need you anymore. I know. They dipped. Where are they? Green, they on the other stream? Is there another stream going on? It's the New York session. Of course, there's like 30 other streams going on. I like it because I like when it stays like near my Asian session numbers, because then I know it's loyalty, right? Loyalty members. I need to get that Wix loyalty card for the Wix rewards. Get yourself some Wix points. Love me some Wix points. Last 10 of the 4 hour. We're gonna watch the 4 hour close here and not do anything. Oh, yeah, I said it. Not do anything. We're gonna watch it. Can I get weed with them points? Yeah, you get. Man said weed and I started coughing. He didn't even like walk by me with it or nothing. Just weed. Damn. Some good shit. Mr. Streams will take long trains, but I have to show love and like the stream. Yes. Drop a like, sub to the channel. There's a level here for the 15 that it's respecting for now. It's minor. This came all the way up, grab liquidity, previous close with no top wick. We're gonna close bearish back below range. Top wick on the next hourly, maybe 9:15. 9:10 the next move. 9:30. News at 9? No, news is at 10. 10 a.m. So they're expecting good numbers, right? So that would mean gold will drop. If it comes out 112.1 or higher, gold will plummet. Right? And we'll wait for that push down. We'll wait to create a low. And then we'll wait for a rebreak of that low to get in. Just what the stops are going to be at that point, right? It's probably going to have to be the high of the news candle. So whatever high it makes. Bunch of lives out here on YouTube, straight sharks. Oh, they got all types of ads on the screen. Yeah, you gotta make money somehow. Only two ways to make money: you either throw in some ads, or three ways. You either throw in some ads, or you can actually trade. But then again, if you can trade and you can throw in some ads, little fraud on the side, you're good. Yeah, he's a devious member. He's a former devious member, or he used to show up here on streams. How it's going today? Going great. It's always going great. And why not? Shout out to him. Shout out to everybody that's live streaming their positions, taking trades. At this point, it's really about like just personality and who you fuck with, right? But I think he chose the right time slot. Like, you want to do this shit. If you really have a choice and you're starting your own thing from scratch, I mean, New York is probably the way to go. Just because we're streaming doesn't mean no one's allowed to stream. Look at how many gamer streamers there are, right? Like, every other person is a gamer in their stream. That's where this is going, right? Like, everyone will be streaming this eventually. Heard Don got some new strategy coming. He doesn't have a new strategy. He just has an update on what he's been looking at and what positions he's been taking. Because sometimes you guys have been going, what the fuck was that? What is he seeing that I'm not seeing? Why is there a trade there? To get rid of that and avoid that, he's probably gonna not even put you guys on. He's already put you guys on. He's gonna like help you out more to understand them better. Yeah, it is. There should be a lot of clicking going on. Shouldn't hear one click. There should be a lot of clicking. Are there any mods? There's a couple. I only see green and spectral on here. Nightbot out here hustling. Yeah, I think green and spectral are the only ones on here. Getting our hourly closure here in a minute. We're back in range. For now. Close below there on the 1, ideally. 3, 2, 1, close right at it. Close below the most recent, but not below the overall. These ranges here, see there was a lot of play here earlier. Kill this. Since then, you've cleared this out a few times. So I don't expect much play. I expect us to clear these ranges. Oh, we have to close outside of them. Shout out from Nigeria. Well, shout out to you from Beach. Looking to get in the trade again? Yeah, but the way we're printing right now, it's most likely going to be for the news. Let's see. Tough. The hourly close respecting support here. Just drop and build the wick down. Let's see. See if we get a 5 closure below here. Maybe we can have more positions before news. Close below here, chat. In a minute, we might have some positions. Unless it just fills the range down in 30 in the last 45 seconds here, which you can. Yeah, a lot of volume here. Oh, last second. Do the next 5. I need a closure below 56.64. stop loss something? Maybe, maybe not. I mean, the game is there, right? And there are rules to this game. It's up to you to work your way around, you know, the way the game is set up. So figure it out. Sell stop below the wick? No. I need a closure below 56.649. Volume's picking up. Yeah, we have news in less than an hour. 50 minutes. 50 minutes. I'm so tired. I got a lot of stuff to do today. A lot. Well, you know what I gotta do that I haven't done yet today? Da-da-da-da. Gotta get these proteins in, baby. Slacking this whole week. Wix way. Word. Those are some good proteins. Someone recommend a good app for beginners? Yes, controllerfx.com. Price action been choppy on Forex, Pierce? Anybody else? Price action been price actiony. Minutes here. Let's see if we get closure. We gotta wait here. Give me a minute. Gotta get some water. Range still news analysis. We're accurate as fuck. I mean, we found the support over there, right? Why do we find support during volume time? All right, let's see. Let's see. Seconds. Sometimes 30 seconds feels too long, right? You gotta wait. We'll come back to the streams on Monday. All right, lock it in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We closed right at my level here. We close below it. I need to close below it. Close right at it. And if it drives, it drives. It closed below the most recent, fine, but I needed to close below my overall area. Do you care about the other orange folder today? No. Same stops. No position yet. What up, Lorenzo? That was a 15 close too. Yeah, I really wanted that lower. Oh, there we go. Still get it, just the way we're rejecting here. If we could get like a gladiator candle where we would close weak bearish with a steep top wick like this, then we can enter here. This will be our trade. You have the best playlist. Where can I find it? YouTube. $15 looks clean. No, it didn't close. There's a 15 support there as well. So look where it rejects here. 15's even lower. The 15's like right here. 5636. That's where you want the 15 to close below there. It's a Harris Heller playlist. Harris Heller. My nose is itchy. What does it mean when your nose is itchy? Alright, never mind. Forget I asked that. I know, chat. You guys are fucking ratchet. You're gonna get some wild ass answers right now. What you have for lower levels? If news drove price down today, 52.09, 49.87. W to whoever was pressing the emojis. Oh, they got rid of the reactions. Where are they? Can't do it anymore, huh? Oh, there they are. Why can't I do it anymore? Not the RR. It's hard to see that on the computer screen. Maybe on TV. Looks better. John is in the house. What's the deal? What up, Karen?
Oh, what's going on?
What up?
What's up? What's up?
Why don't you show up to the meet and greet, Karen? Where were you?
Why didn't I show up?
Mm-hmm. It's basically on
really
your
just came
side
down
of
and
the
could find no
globe.
one to watch my dog for me.
No one watched the dog.
Mm-hmm. And
Regular dog.
Miami's way too hot to bring him.
No, yeah.
It's got way too much fur.
Just said no vacation for the dog. Fuck you, you stay cold. Furry motherfucker. Damn, why you hate your dog so much? Send him to
Quite the
Miami.
opposite. I don't want to bring him and make him suffer.
Dogs love Miami.
I don't think huskies like any hot weather.
Yeah, especially he doesn't like the water.
Oh, what?
I want to get a Pomsky. That's what I want. The half Pomeranian,
Those are-
half Husky. Oh, that's.
Oh,
They're like half a Husky, but just as pretty. I looked into getting a Wallaby. No
what is a
lie.
wallaby?
It's like mini kangaroo. It's like a kangaroo that's only like it's miniature. It's
Holy crap, it's a little kangaroo.
yeah, it's like they're as tall. They're like up to your kneecap, but they can jump, right? So they'll fucking knock you in your nuts if you talk shit. Anyone in chat got any XL bullet? Actually, at my barber shop, dude has like 8 of them that are like 3 weeks old. He said he's not gonna give them away for another 3 weeks. He wants to like do all the shots, but he's getting rid of them at like 1100 to 1900 a bully.
Damn.
He actually hit me up the other day. I was looking into it. He's got some pretty ones. Got a little pack of 3. Nah, he's got like a fucking 20 pack. He's got like a pack of Marlboros. They're pretty, but I want to get a wallaby. You ever seen anyone with a wallaby? No. You ever seen anyone at the beach with a wallaby? I've seen people with all types of shit. Snakes, lizards, parrots. Right? You ain't never seen nobody
Don't kangaroo.
with a kangaroo on the leash.
Don't kangaroos like box and stuff? What if that thing just started trying to box you?
Yeah, they box. But they're little, right? I'll smack the shit out of it. But I won't do that. I will raise it where it doesn't need to box me. No, they get attacked. You get them young, and you get a little. They're nocturnal. They're not nocturnal. They're marsupials, right?
Yeah.
And they live in a pouch. You got to get yourself a hoodie with a pouch, and then they just climb into your
That'd
pouch.
be cool.
Yo, it's dope.
That'd be
Look it
cool.
up online. It's very dope. Like the owners.
What do you feed this thing?
It's a fucking kangaroo, yo. Get him! Get him, Jack! I'm gonna name him Jack, too. Kangaroo Jack. Try to drown animals for kicks and giggles. They fucking stand on their tail and kick you with 2 feet. What up, Yuri? Don is on vacation. He's in Turks. Type in English. You don't have to type in Russian. Type in English so everyone understands. He's asking me where's Don. Kangaroo will square up with you. Yeah, kangaroo. I'm trying to get a mini one. I'm trying to like run down the beach and have one just hopping right behind me. Cute as hell. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna look this up. Yo, tell me this guy is not mad cute right now. Look at this. What?
Oh, I didn't
Tell me
realize
you
it's
don't
that
want one.
tiny.
I want one right now.
Oh, Damien.
That's actually pretty cool.
It's cute as hell. I want one right now. Fuck a dog. I want that one. Right there. Like they get attached to whoever raises them. So like he grew up in his pouch, right? So,
Oh man, that's actually so cool.
it's a friggin' kangaroo.
Damien. She's 46.
46.
You gonna be walking that thing like that too, just jumping around?
Yeah, I'm a hop too.
Like this, Damien. Put your arms and legs out like a starfish. Damien, get the wheelbarrow and take it out there. If you want to get paid, you have to do the work. Come on, Damien. We're getting some work done.
I'm just gonna have him on stream with me, just knocking
How's your
shit off the
smoke going,
table.
Damien?
That's what
Good
they
luck.
say though. I read about them. They say you can't you gotta, if you let them in the house, you gotta kind of clear it out because they hop onto everything. They jump
Oh, shit.
everywhere.
$2K for a male, 2.5 years old.
Yeah, that's a fully grown one. Like those are dope.
They're actually pretty cool. My dog would eat it though.
You could get like an albino one, all white. Like it looks crazy. Johnez must know where to get a wallaby. Johnez got wallabies in the backyard. He's got a farm of wallabies.
He sees those every day. It's like nothing new to him.
He sees real ones. He sees big ass kangaroos. You ever have any kangaroo on your property?
No.
He's like, nah, I live in a high rise, bitch. You know what they got to do to get in?
It's not a true
You don't need to
Australian.
sneak past security or knock him the fuck out.
Like that video of the guy who punched the kangaroo in the face because it had his dog in the chokehold.
Oh, that was a crazy video.
Boy, ain't no fucking milk. You saw the milk one? Yeah, everyone says that for like the first 2 days after they see the milk story. Should I go on my IG and check out the milk story? They got crazy claws. Well, the little one's not that bad. Little ones ain't that bad. I want the little one, the big ones can fuck off. Exactly how I feel. For real. Little ones are fine. Spam effects is here. Word. How you gonna ask me for a whole week straight, yo, you're streaming, and then show up late to the stream? Hello, Farzo. Like Jerry every time he saw Newman on Seinfeld. Hello, Newman. Hello, Fargo. Half the chat's like, what Seinfeld?
What?
It's a spaceship, bitch. I think my TV's possessed. It's doing the whole white noise thing. Like it's trying to communicate with me. It does, you could see it, and then it goes away, and then it just does the white noise. I'm busy, Ghost. Till 10. You're gonna have to wait till like 10:15 to do that shit. I'm busy with we got news at 10. You and fucking Patrick Swayze can come back in about an hour. Izzy. Yeah, it's doing the whole ring thing. You can't. could be a little misleading. I got these areas marked off, but I don't have any trades around these areas. I'm not planning on anything yet. Got news in 25 minutes. I'm gonna wait for the news here because we're back in range. I gave Miami food a 0. You know where we went that Don did not like? We went to Kiki's on the River, and actually no, I'm sorry. Kiki's on the River was full. We couldn't go. They were booked out. We went to Sea Spice next door. That's where we went to. We went to Sea Spice next door, and Don ain't like they steak. And to be honest with you, me neither. The Wagyu was Wagyu-y. Sea Spice is this decent, mostly hype. Yeah, it's mostly hype. It's really, you go for the vibe, right? For the atmosphere. I should have done Komodo and got the duck. No, I mean, there's a lot of good places, right? We wanted to go to Kiki's. We didn't want to like, or it was either Kiki's or we were going to go to Prime 112, but Prime 112 is just like a quiet vibe, right? We wanted a vibe, Miami vibe. Now we had the A5 Wagyu, and it was alright. Mr. Miami for a reason, yeah. I'll take trades at the in-person. No, there was one person that placed 2 trades on day 2 of the in-person while we were sitting there. He's like, I'm taking. We broke it down, and he hit TP during class. Y'all better stop fucking with me, yo. Always the same people dancing. Never let no one else get on the dance floor. Don't let anyone dance. Jonathan brought his kangaroos. Nice. Need me a masseuse. Hey, Jonasia, 3 months. W. W for Jonasia, thank you. So at the moment he is trading before the market opens, right? We took a position earlier, like an hour ago, around 8:30. Hold on a second, try. No, your logic is flawed. Just said it yourself. Trail the stop loss in profit. So if you hit stops in profit, stop loss or TP is where you just close out your position, right? So if we close out our position in profit, minutes for news here. I got a fever. I need some Tylenol.
Yeah, I gotta bounce to go call my lawyer. I'll be back probably before the stream ends.
Like a nonchalant threat. Who are you suing? Boy needs. Who are you suing?
The guy who crashed into me.
Nice. Did he go to jail?
Sounds valid.
I honestly I don't know. He ran a red light, speeding. So I never knew much. Honestly, like I remember it when I was in the hospital. I was like losing it because like, isn't there supposed to be like a fucking cop that comes and talks to me after this happened? But apparently they came like when I was getting the tube put into my lung, and then they left to go answer a different call. And then I was like, yeah.
They took your statement while you were out cold.
Yeah, the cop came in. He's like, Uh-huh.
Say nothing
Got it.
if you.
Say no more. I got it. In the fucking logbook, it probably simply support. It says beep, 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 beep. Did he curse the whole time? He was knocked out. Damn.
It's fucking
Well,
scary
then,
as
shit. I hope he
scary
pays
as
for your
fuck.
medical
People
bills.
running red lights and shit.
Yeah, it was a
Young
super
guy?
foggy day. The guy just fucking was speeding, probably
Was he
doing
drunk?
90 and 80, and just ran the red light, and an F-250 hit me.
Fuck.
Oh, he was an F-250. He was American.
hmm Yeah, it fucked me up real good.
That's an American thing to do. Damn. All right. Well, good luck, yo. You need.
Thank
you
you,
need
thank
two
you.
lawyers. I don't even think you need to
I-
trade at this moment.
Not
With
really.
what happened to you? Why are you even trading?
For
It's a new
funsies.
way of getting funded.
How did you get funded? Collapsed lung.
Worth it.
F-150, red
Yeah,
light.
absolutely.
Oh, sorry.
Alright, guys. Talk to you in a bit.
Alright,
Later.
see it.
All right. Good luck. Yeah. You gonna sue the shit out of somebody. So hold on, he dipped 10 minutes before the news?
He's already getting funded.
Yeah. Kieran said we are not the same. News? Fucking news. Ow. Meeting with lawyers and shit. I mean, we technically all made profits for the session.
Yeah.
Just need some more profits. Now my back hurts, yo. I feel sore. Like this chair ain't doing it. Let's see. Well, this definitely ain't doing it. Word. Don got his Reggie Miller chair just sitting over there doing nothing in the house. Yo, I need my stand-up chair. The embody's comfortable? Yeah, embody's pretty good. Yo, not for nothing. The old school Toyota Avalon back seat was gangster. The most comfortable seat I've ever been in. Like and the old school Jeep Cherokee seats. The old school Jeep. Like if they can make
Okay.
a Toyota Avalon backseat chair, I would be all up over that. Get me two. It's a comfortable ass seat. be like a computer couch. Be leaning back 4 seats down. I wonder what this push is going to look like. It's going to be interesting. For the price, that shit better come with a masseuse. Like a real one, not just like a vibrating back. Start sell? No, we're waiting on the hourly close. We have news in 5 minutes. 10 a.m. Although this is a good closure below the range. Doesn't really have a low bottom wick. It does, but a small one. And whatever happens here, it's not the drive we want to see. We want to see the drive that happens 10 or after. Just got a message. Who the hell's messaging you? Green's your favorite color? Yeah, I like green. I also like blue. Obviously, green says agree. See how green is written in blue? Chart says sells all over the place. Chart says sells in 2 places. 1, 2. Two minutes. Dos. Be interesting if this closes like weak bullish or doji on this 5. Respecting resistance here. Dos minutos. At the AAA, during the heat game, they don't say dos minutos. He just goes 2 minutes. Dos. And that's it. At the heats? Yeah. At the heats. See, I have stop loss before news. Ooh.
Ooh, there it is.
It's crazy. Fucking insane in the membrane. Alright, we made some lows. Let's see if we can, re-break them. Damn. I don't care where you would have had positions. Yo ass, if you had sells over here at 55.75, you got entered at 52. I know you've seen some slippage. Alright, let's see. This is tough. How did it come out? Wow, it came way better. Yeah, gold should continue dropping. Came out as expected. Yeah. We should see gold continue dropping. What's the stops though? We need a re-break out of lows, or we have to wait for the next candle. Maybe something here. Let's see how it works, how it plays out right now. Because I'm looking for us to continue down. We got our push. Maybe a top wick and a reflip. Let's see. I'm gonna see if my MT5 is different. But MT5 is looking pretty on point compared to Oanda. Very similar. The 1 minute. Quick's looking at 1 minute. Yeah, I was curious to see how it's working out, and we just flipped on a support here. That might have been the pullback. The news might have been a pullback. Chat, I'm gonna take a buy as we break this previous candle high. This 5 breaks it. Strange. Maybe that was the pullback for us to continue up. I'm not activated yet. If we break this high, this previous 5 high, there we go. Yeah, I'm in a position here, chat. Didn't expect this big flip like this, but it did. So this previous 5 held bullish, respected support. We came down and we never continued re-breaking the lows. We flipped and now we're driving back up into range after grabbing this liquidity. Maybe the news was a liquidity grab. Give me 1 second. The low of the news candle will be our stops. I'm gonna take this up to here. Oof. Chat, I'm gonna go break even here at 11 pips. Look for this to come up for, oh, there we go. I'm closing full here at 24. I just closed full. W's, 24 pips.
Nice trade.
W's.
W's.
Nice entry. I honestly, we're looking to come down bearish way the news came down, but I think the news, since they expected the numbers, this wick might have been just, it might have been just a pullback. It might have been priced in and a pullback, and then got that W. Congratulations, 24 pips. So a total of 36 pips today. I think we are done for the day.
Done.
Yeah, I closed full over there at 24. I need that MJ sound. Congratulations. Yo, chat, drop a like and sub to the channel. We got 2 W's today. Way to stay fluid. Uh, 24 flat. So wins number 36 and 37 on the year. Congratulations to everyone that showed up. Congratulations to everyone that traded. That's how you trade news. You trade the aftermath. Look, right? We held support here. We closed above. We drove down, grabbed liquid, and then we came back in range. So we had a fake out on the news. We came back in range and drove up. Reached the top of this area, and now it can start rejecting. Now it can start ranging, right? It filled the range. Now it can do whatever it wants. Let's get this off here. Remove. Not too happy he went hee hee. I didn't go hee hee. I went hee hee.
That was a Michael Jackson.
It's MJ. You crazy.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. I mean, some of you could have had an entry on the flip here, but I felt more confident if we rebroke that high. So if we broke that high, I don't think we would have ranged it. I figured that candle would have drove straight up, but I think the 5 minute was closing. not looking at news, it's a great liquidity grab. But the thing is, they expected news to be so good for the dollar that I think people priced it in. I think it was priced in. For this drop came from, then we ranged, then we had the drop and came back in range. And at that point, it's not just direction, it's volume. And volume brought us back in range to fill the range up. So very simple trading, not too difficult, not too easy, but not too difficult to understand what's going on. It was either we were going to hang around here. That's why I went to the 1 minute to see if this would hold here. This little resistance on the 1 minute will hold. We start re-breaking the lows. I would have took the break of the previous 1 minute, maybe over here, or maybe the break overall to continue down. But since we came back in range with that big liquidity grab, at that point, if you figure it's priced in, we're going to fill the range up. Hey, Don Bo in the house. Where you at, bruh? W signal channel. What did the signal channel catch? Signal channel. Signal channel. Ooh, 16
Like you and
pips.
Don are on the same wavelength.
He had buy. Oh, I don't see the position. But he took. Where did you take buys, dog? What's your entry for buys? 16 pips. Don had a position too. So I figure, I don't know. Maybe he had it here on the bottom wick as we're coming up. I don't know. Maybe he had it on the flip.
Yeah, probably the flip.
Yeah, I think it was split.
I figure, no, maybe this gave 16.
Or the break of the high.
My entry was 1957 3 4. Yeah, right here. My entry was right as we broke this wick. Oh, he got the flip. So why did you only get 16? The flip. What a good 30 pips. Oh, you went 15 in profit? Is that what you did? Or it just came back quick? It pumped as it was tight. Oh, you were in the signals? Why didn't you tell us Don got a signal? No, just kidding. Don't say it. If Don has a signal, don't shout him out. But that's a good thing you didn't, because it would have thrown me off.
Yes, it was the flip.
It's a good fucking entry, dog. The flip over there. I was too scared of the flip. I got the break of the highs. I just felt more confident, but yeah, that's a fire entry. I wouldn't put it past Don to open like right here. Right? On the bottom wick. It's a fucking fire entry you had over there. Break of highs was more safe, but I took the flip. Yeah, I mean, at the break of highs, I figure we're going to fill the range up. That's hard. That makes me happy. Devious is winning all around.
Yeah, the consistency is good.
Well, I mean, what else are we gonna do? We got 2 W's today. Yo, honestly, where you at, bro? I miss you. I miss talking to Don every morning. I miss being on his stream because I get to bullshit on his stream. I get to talk shit. I get to like vibe. I can go roll a J while he's doing a breakdown here. Get to just troll or just relax. I don't really troll, but like I get to. It's more relaxed because I don't have to. I don't have to do the breakdown. It's not on me. It's on him. Where you at, bro? I miss you. Take me to Turks. I've been trading for a year and I never found guys to explain market that easy. Shout out to you all working at the... Yo, Don, hit me up whenever you got a second. Kick the shit. Shoot the shit, right? Kick the shit. Let's kick some shit. The boy Don went to Turks. I forgot all about me. Chat, let me tell you something. If all your friends are on an island somewhere, living their best life, right? There's a reason you're not there. There's a reason you're not over there. It's either you're on an island living your best life, or they don't want you there. Which one is it, bro? Getting in any more trades? No, I'm gonna call it here. I think that's our session. Everybody thanks Smokes the Kid for reminding me to call it. No, I'm just kidding. You go get jumped. No, we're gonna call it a session. I'll be back tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern for Asian session. Yeah, Asian session will continue tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern. Will be in full effect, in full HD. Thank you guys for showing up. Mods, appreciate all yous. No more trades here today. I'm gonna wait till Asian session and we'll look for some more positions for Asian. We had an early position, we got a W. We had a news position, we got a W. I mean, that's enough. You gotta go, yeah, go get a new putter, go get whatever. Go get yourself a hotel and some hookers, whatever you want. I don't care what you do, just stop trading.
Gotta run that by the wife.
Gotta run that one by the wife. Nah, don't run that one by her. That was
the
not
putter. I don't have to,
agenda.
but that one I might.
That was more of a. That was an impulse idea, right? It wasn't a planned thing. We didn't plan for this, baby. All right, gang. I'll see you tonight. For all of you in Asia, it'll be tomorrow morning for you, but I'll see you for Asian session, and we'll look to continue New York tomorrow, same time, same place. I think that's it. That's our session for the day. Let me get our vibe music popping here. There you go. Harris Heller in the house. Chat, thank you so much for coming through. Love and wisdom to you all.
Wow, I feel good.
But that's our Asian session. All right, just like that. Another one is in the books. See you tomorrow. I'll see you tonight. Spam some dubs on the way out.